Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story photos editing option or editing bar not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Restart your device. Again open your Instagram app. Click on plus icon. Select any picture. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story photo editing option or editing bar not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.